हाँ ठीक।
Now in this video we discussed about treaty and treaty shopping. Now first we elaborate the term of treaty. What is the meaning of treaty? Treaty is basically the arrangement or agreement between two or more countries for the purpose of avoiding the effect of double taxation on taxpayer. Now one of the term used in the context of treaty is a treaty shopping. Now the treaty shopping is used in the context for the purpose of evading a tax by the taxpayer. We understand the treaty shopping with the help of an example. Let's assume there is a Limited situated in Cayman Island and the B Limited situated in United States of America, USA. B Limited is only one subsidiary of A Limited. That means the A Limited is the parent company of B Limited, which is situated in USA, and A Limited situated in Cayman Island. Now the dividend income of B Limited is transferred to A Limited, which is situated in Cayman Island, or B Limited is situated in USA. Now any dividend is transferred to from USA to Cayman Island or another country where there is no treaty between the USA and another country, there is a 30% of tax rate imposed by the US government on dividend transferred by B Limited to A Limited situated in Cayman Island. Now the A Limited thinks how we can avoid the 30% of tax on our dividend which is earned from our subsidiary company, let's say B Limited. So A Limited made a technique or form a cell company on United Kingdom of America. Sorry, United Kingdom. The name of company is just C Limited. Now the income is root. That is B Limited transfer their dividend income to C Limited and the C Limited transfer their income to A Limited. Now why this arrangement is made? Because the A Limited trying to avoid 30% of tax withholding by the US income tax law, because there is an agreement or treaty between US government and United Kingdom. If any income transfer, any dividend income transfer between these two countries, no tax is levied on such dividend income. And the UK income tax laws say that any dividend income is transferred to non-resident company. Non-resident company, that means any company which is situated in any other country in the world, there is no leviation of tax on such dividend income. Now the C Limited transfer their income to A Limited subject to no taxation. Now in this whole arrangement, A Limited is able to avoid tax of 30% which is charged by the US government on the dividend income if the income is transferred by the B Limited to A Limited. But due to the treaty shopping technique, it routed their income, and the income is now the income is transferred from C Limited to A Limited. C Limited is situated in United Kingdom and A Limited is situated in Cayman Island. In treaty shopping, basically their involvement of three countries is necessary. Now I stop my word. Thank you for watching my video.